Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Scale Network. Scale Network is in a very critical moment right now because it is dropped at a very critical support, but it is also a very strong support of a falling wedge on the long-term chart. And it can be also another very nice buy the dip opportunity. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel so far, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you on the daily basis. And you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's move to the weekly time frame chart. And here we can see that the price line has found a support here. When we had this rally, we moved down. And from here, the price line was moved up again. And again, we had rejection here. We again had another rejection here. And now we are again at the support. And at the same time, we are also having the resistance as well. Like here we have rejections and we also have rejections here as well. So this is the formation of a falling wedge, or you can also call it as a descending triangle, but it is not horizontal, it is moving to the downside. Therefore, it will be more appropriate to call it as a falling wedge pattern. However, we also have a horizontal support as well. When we had this rally and the price line was rejected by this level, that was approximately at 16.5 cents. And right now, the price line is exactly at the price level support, at this price level support as well, and also the support of this falling wedge. And now, if we take a look at the oscillator, here I have placed a stochastic oscillator. Then it is giving us a hope that the price line can be reversed because it is entered the oversold zone. Most of the times, especially on the long-term charts, whenever the price line enters, when the price line reaches at the support of a very big pattern, like here we have in this case the falling wedge, and the oscillator enters the oversold zone, then the price line most of the times reverse bullish from there. Like we had a bullish reversal here when stochastic entered the oversold zone, the price line hit here at the support. We had a nice reversal, and again the same action is being repeated. So if the stochastic will turn bullish, like for example right now we can see that this blue line is crossing up the orange line. That is the buying signal by the stochastic, and from the oversold zone, especially such a long-term chart, it can be a very powerful buying signal. And the price line we can see again at the support, and there is also a double bottom formation. If I'll switch to the daily time frame chart, then we can see that the price line moved down here, reversed back, and now it is moved down again. And from here we can expect a reversal as the stochastic has also entered the oversold zone, and we have a price level support of 16.5 cents and also the support of this falling wedge. But if this support will be broken down, then the price line can move down to the next support here, approximately at 7.5 cents. Therefore, this support should be saved and the price line should be reversed to the upside from here. Otherwise, the situation can be really very drastic. Now, if we switch to the daily time frame chart, then here price line has found another resistance during this while moving in this falling wedge. Here we have a rejection and a few rejections we have here as well. And we also have the support for this pattern. And this is the formation of another down channel here. We have a bounce here. We have few bounces here as well. And right now the price line is again moved at the resistance of this down channel, and this support is the reason that is preventing the price line to retest the previous this support of the channel, and the price line is topped here. Now if we switch to the 4-hourly time frame from here, then we can see that the price line has broken out a resistance. Here the price line found the resistance, and here we have a support, and there is a formation of a symmetrical triangle on the 4-hourly time frame, and the price line broke it out, rejected by this resistance of the channel, moved down, and right now we are testing the previous resistance of this symmetrical triangle as a support. This is really very nice gesture. While retesting the support, it can give us another chance. It is giving us another chance to catch it from this dip at the support of a very big falling wedge at the resistance of this symmetrical triangle. Now it is breaking as a support, and this price level support of 16.5 cents as well. And after this breakout, now for example, if we take a look at the target for this triangle that it has already achieved, but after this retest we can expect that it can again move up to hit the target. Then our next target, if I place it here at the breakout point, is approximately at 19.3 cents. And while moving here, it can break out this resistance of a very big channel. And when it will break out this channel, it can imminently move up to the resistance of a bigger falling wedge pattern that we have just seen on this weekly time frame. And let me show you the resistance. And for example, if the price line will be reversed bullish from here after the breakout from the channel on the daily time frame, then the resistance is approximately at 30 cents. From 16 cents to 30 cents, it can move. So this was the update so far. I hope that you have liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me at the Patreon, because here I am sharing different trading ideas for you on the daily basis. You can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.